As you know, the automotive industry is undergoing a revolution. The automotive is becoming more complex, more connected, shared, autonomous, electrified. And as a result, we need to acquire new skills, new capabilities, and to bring innovative solutions to the market. To shorten this time to market, building ecosystem is the key. And building ecosystem can be done in several different ways. First way, the most obvious, is to acquire a company. And that's what we did with Clarion for cockpit technologies and low-speed ADAS. But we can also build strategic partnership, like what we did recently with GDI, Japan Display, to integrate large displays into the interior of the car. And last but not least, we invest into startups, and we see ourselves as strategic partners, not financial investors. When we invest into a startup, we want to invest in the long term and to make sure that the technology of the startup can be embedded quickly into our own solutions. Then, we want to support the startups from a financial point of view. We are early investors, we invest at very early stage, but we want to support the startup during the following financing rounds. And last but not least, we also want to bring the products and the technology of the startups to serial life.
We created Faurecia Ventures. It's a legal entity, a specific company, which role is only to invest into startup. It's a strategic investor, meaning that we only invest into startups with which we have operational teams within Faurecia who are going to work with the startup in order to innovate, to develop a new product or service for our customers. We have worldwide technological platforms located usually where the startups are, in the middle of the ecosystem of these startups. And these teams, Faurecia teams, are scouting for the startup that could be interesting for us. And they are validating their technology and their business model. We already made something a bit more than 10 different investments in 10 different companies. In different fields, we can have startups specialized in touch sensing, for instance, others in depollution. We could have as well a sound system. I can mention, for instance, Subpack, which is a Californian one, which is improving the feeling that we have when we listen to music, thanks to actuators which are improving the bass feeling that we could feel with our body.